In 1774, Parliament passed the Coercive Acts to punish Boston and tighten control. But the colonists had another name, the Intolerable Acts. Ports closed, rights crushed, soldiers empowered, and resistance hardened into the first real steps toward revolution. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In 1774, Britain didn't try to calm the colonies. It tried to crush them. Parliament passed a brutal set of laws meant to punish Massachusetts and scare all of America into obedience. First came the Boston Port Act. British warships sealed the harbor. No trade, no jobs, an entire city strangled, until colonists paid for the destroyed tea. Next, the Administration of Justice Act. British officials accused of crimes in America could be shipped to England for trial, far from colonial witnesses, far from consequences. Then came the Massachusetts Government Act. Town meetings were restricted, elected leaders replaced by royal appointees. Self-rule erased with a pen stroke. The Quartering Act followed. Colonists were forced to house British soldiers, in inns, barns, even private homes. Armed reminders of who held power. Parliament believed fear would restore control. Make an example of Boston, and the other colonies would fall in line. Instead, the colonies united. What Britain called the Coercive Acts, Americans called the Intolerable Acts, an assault on liberty itself. These laws didn't restore order. They lit the fuse. Within a year, muskets would fire, and a revolution would begin.